When was the last time you truly went through your bag? If it's been a while, you're in for a treat. Today we're creating order in your purse or your bag, making sure it's all functional as well as fab. Let's get started. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing service. It's day 19 of our easy 28-day declutter challenge. Feel free to download my free printable checklist using the link below and join us. Here's a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days look like and what we have accomplished so far, which is a lot. I mean, it's day 19. Today's mission is all about your purse, bag, or wallet. My husband says mine's a bottomless pit sometimes. I remember that. Not anymore, but anyway. I personally don't have a lot of bags for going out. I have a backpack for work, a small crossover like fanny pack style bag for running errands and for concerts. And I also have a tote bag. That's pretty much it. I don't have a lot of bags. I like to keep things pretty simple over here. Anyways, today I'm going to work on my work backpack because I haven't touched it in a while. So that's what I'm working on today. Dive into your bag collection. Start with the bags themselves. Go through the bag collection. Ask yourself, do I love this bag? Do I actually use it? Keep the ones you love and use regularly, and say goodbye to those that have been gathering dust. If it doesn't serve you anymore, it is time to let it go. Streamline your contents of your purse. Next, empty out your current purse or bag completely. Lay everything out so you can see what you're working with. Sort through the content. Keep the essentials. Think wallet, phone, keys, hand sanitizer, and any daily must-haves. Toss the extras. Old receipts, expired coupons, and items you don't use daily, time to let them go. Essentials only. Organize like a pro. Now that you've streamlined your essentials, giving them a designated spot in your bag is key. Consider using a purse organizer or small pouches to keep everything tidy and easy to find. A well-organized bag saves you time and energy. You'll never have to dig around for your keys again, and it won't be a black hole. And there you have it. Your personal bag is all clutter-free and ready to roll. Who says your bag can't be both stylish and organized, right? Tell me in the comments, what's the most surprising thing you found in your bag today? I'd love to hear your stories in the comments. If you're loving this challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're ready for tomorrow's mission. Spoiler, we're heading under the kitchen sink. It's time to transform that tricky spot. See you tomorrow in the next video for day 20.
Hey! Before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!